The 75mm Verum square is going to be ideal for these smaller, accurate marking out of joints. So we could use it for this lipped dovetail. We're marking out the squares down here. We were marking up the edges perhaps for our mortise. I've also used him for marking out this long and short shouldered tenon. So I'd want to be marking out certainly my shoulders and then checking my shoulders. Also, don't forget about the accuracy of the stock. You can actually sit it on your tenon, bring it up to your shoulder, and just check how accurate and clean and square that really is. Same again for checking how good we are across the shoulder and popping them down. Put them up against the light to really see how clean the joint is looking. Ideal size for putting in your pocket, taking around the workshop, or keeping on your bench for those really accurate joints you're making. That's in detail how to use that size square. If you want to check out the other uses on the individual squares, then follow those videos. If you want to buy our Verum squares, look at us at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and follow us on our social media channels.